Endless Road, Eternal Wilderness. For 18 years, Lifan Group is on the way, where thunderstorms are illuminated with prosperity. Lifan Group was founded in 1992. With 18 years' great efforts, Lifan has rapidly grown to be one of the largest private-owned enterprises in China, specialized in technology development, manufacture, sales, and export of vehicles, motorcycles, and engines, as well as investment on financial sector and football industry. In July 2008, Lifan cooperated with AIG Group from America, turning private enterprise into joint venture enterprise. In June 2009, Lifan received Chinese National Card, becoming one of the 100 famous enterprises which can present national economy development since the establishment of People's Republic of China. In 2009, Lifan Group reached a sales volume of 13.3 billion Chinese RMB and a foreign exchange earning through exportation of $380 million, covering 8% of Chongqing export. Till now, Lifan has got 4,856 patents at home and abroad, among which Lifan Motors has got 644 patents. Innovation empowers Lifan to step forward into 167 overseas markets, including Southeast Asia, West Asia, Europe, Africa, and South America. When sedans, motorcycles, and engines of Lifan got the E-Mark certification of EU, Lifan could successfully launch the market of the 18 European countries. In January 2006, Lifan 520, a newly self-owned brand, launched the global market. From the moment on, Lifan Group has enrolled himself into an entirely new era. In September 2008, Lifan Motors introduced the classical sedan, Lifan 620, which is suitable for business as well as family. In 2009, Lifan Motors introduced the fashionable sedan, Lifan 320, and will also introduce minivan and SUV in 2010. With unbending mind and continuous effort, Lifan Group is growing to be a dominant figure in Chinese automobile industry. Exploring Road. Exploring is a heartfelt acceptance more than an interest. Lifan people will fight to achieve the ultimate goals of making our national vehicle industry prosperous. As we still have a way to go, we will bravely dedicate to strive. Yin Mingshan, the kind father figure, is nearly 70 years old. He has been interviewed and highly appreciated by the leaders of China, including Hu Jintao, Wen Jiabao, Wu Bangguo, Li Peng, and Zhu Rongji. He is leading his group to strive a glorious future for our national automobile industry. In December 2008, Premier Wen Jiabao inspected Lifan Group. He gave a high praise to Lifan for its spirit of overcoming difficulty and encouraged Lifan to go forward with difficulties, circumstances, and innovations. Lifan Group has been investing in a project of the automobile on a large scale. Lifan has become one of the national automobile manufacturers and owns the widest product lines, which ranges from passenger cars, minivans, trucks, special vehicles, buses, and such extra. Enterprise Road. The spirit of enterprise leads to unceasing innovations and splendid achievements. Lifan Motors Factory lies in the Auto Garden in Chongqing, New Northern Rome, with area of 65,000 square meters. 2.4 billion Chinese RMB has been pumped into Lifan Auto project. So far, Lifan has completed advanced punching, welding, painting, general assembling, engine assembly line, and a dynamic testing line, which guarantees the high quality of Lifan brand. Now, the annual productivity of 150,000 sedans and 200,000 automobile engines has been realized by Lifan Motors. In the punching workshop, the 2,000-ton automatic hydraulic punch machine and other internationally advanced equipment can accomplish all the punching process in high quality and efficiency. The welding workshop is equipped with two main welding lines, two auxiliary welding lines, and tipping press machine, the BIW rotated hang-in-transit line, BIW adjusting line, and 3-dimension gauge. In the totally enclosed painting workshop, the body goes through precondition and the electrophoresis, PVC, sealant coating, color painting, and other working processes. In the final assembly line, The workshop is equipped with body transmit line, exterior assembly line, floor assembly line, the testing line, and extra. All of these guarantee the splendid quality of Lifan automobiles. Lifan Motors Academy has been established based on a National Technological Center and a postdoctoral working station. It owns a complete R&D system and a team of top experts of the world and talents of automobiles. Lifan Motors often trains her employees in different related fields so as to ensure everyone masters the latest technology and improve their skills, therefore creating excellent conditions to manufacture excellent vehicles. In the crash test conducted in the Tianjin National Automobile Test and Inspection Center, it is in the first crash that Lifan 520 passed the test. In May 2008, Lifan 520 passed EU NCAP crash test just for the first shot, breaking the records that self-owned brand crashed in EU. It symbols that the quality of Lifan Motors is in line with international standard completely. Lifan 320 and Lifan 620 passed the E-Mark approval in November 2009. Lifan sedans proved to accord with all the national standards during 1 million kilometer road tests under all kinds of road conditions. In 2008 and 2009, during the Rally Championship, Lifan 320 got the champion of SI level twice, proving its outstanding quality. Since the launch, Lifan Motors takes the service-first strategy and has also established the service-first brand image. At the beginning of 2008, Lifan Motors introduced the quality guarantee of 5 years or 100,000 kilometer running, while attaching importance to the product quality. The after-sales service of Lifan is increasingly improved. Evaluated by China Product Quality Association, Lifan got 3 level for its after-sales service credit. Service first, customer uppermost is our persistent slogan in order to achieve a perfect after-sales service system in domestic market and to launch the global market rapidly. Lifan Motors will focus all its energy to achieve an incorporate project of sales and services. More than 500 after-sales centers has been built all over China, which covers 31 provinces, cities, and municipalities. Lifan will do utmost to ensure the best service for our customers. Overpass, growth, innovation to create long-life Lifan, surpassing to master our own future. Lifan implements a global marketing system about automobile sales. Presently, we own nearly 10,000 sales centers at home and abroad. The distribution networks abroad has been extended to 57 countries, such as Greece, Russia, Algeria, Colombia, Iran, and the Philippines, etc. Meanwhile, we have established CKD plants in Vietnam, Iran, Russia, Ethiopia, and Azerbaijan. The plants in Uruguay and Egypt will be built and put into use in 2010. As Lifan always sticks to the concept of come from community, return to community. Lifan makes great contribution to public. Since 1992, Lifan has donated over 77.83 million Chinese RMBs to the society. By the end of 2008, Lifan has donated to establish 100 Guancai schools. Future World. 18 years. It is just the start line for Lifan. The future will be unlimitedly wonderful. Yu Mingshan said, "The future belongs to somebody who is innovative, or abandon somebody who is fossil." Expecting the future all over the world, in a competitive market, Lifan Motors looks like an aircraft carrier, fighting in the wave of the market economy and growing up lustily. Lifan Motors drives ahead, develops, challenges, and leads the world. Lifan Motors.